Now I'm going to add the operation to the receiving class via script, and soon we'll show what the script does. Specialize scripts create operation from message, and we have a pop-up saying creating operation for find smuggler message into seaside sensor. Press OK. There are other messages that are being produced, but they're going to the system output. Take a look at that soon. We'll take a look at that a little later. Okay, so if I look at this class, I see that it has the operation. It also has the following operation was added by user, and at the end it says added on by the date, so it works as expected. The only thing that doesn't work as expected is that if I go to this operation and I change the name, find swimmer, it does not change the message on the diagram, and that's because in order to do that I have to do the last step, which this script does not do. Now I'll show you the part of the code that I expect to have that change. I added the tagged value to the message and I connected it to the operation that I just created, but still it doesn't register as pointing to the operation. I left the code in because the next time I would click on the message again, if I wouldn't add the tagged value, it would create another message. So that's what I wrote. Prevents the script from creating doubles. So let's see how we do that. Before we create a new method, we check if message OK, then I add operation. The message OK checks for the following. It outputs to either the system or to the prompt the name. It checks that the receiver is a class. It checks also that the connector is a type of sequence. And it also checks if the operation exists. By that it does taking the connector and checking if it has a tagged value with the name operation GoID that matches to the anything. Okay, so if the message has a tagged value, it doesn't add another one. But still, the message does not point to the find swimmer message. In order for me to do that, I have to go manually and choose it. Then I have the message. So that's the gripe I have about my script. We'll see if we can find a solution to that.